Live on 11 colors. You know, I show me per ear. Oh. Hold on. Why look so weird? Look weird. Look weird. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow. Wagwan. What's going on in? What's going on in, my people? My kings and my queens. Wagwan. On a day. Man, all this hard for women.
Jackie Gross. Good evening, good evening. Good evening,
I'm
kings
say
and
me can
queens.
read from this far. Michelle.
You can't see it.
I have to come here, sir.
Michelle. Cynthia.
So you're just as blind as me?
I'm not having my contacts.
Oh, yeah, sir.
Patricia.
Patricia, what going? Good Thursday
You can make out a
evening.
couple letters, that's it.
Good Thursday evening to y'all. Or
Good day, whatever.
good
it may
day,
be.
whatever time it is.
Right.
Yeah.
Good early evening.
So I'm gonna drink Naked Punch from the one and only Miss Lothian. Yes. Miss Lothian will lick off a first buckle like we did promise. And I hide me if I hide this for tonight. Otherwise, it's a gone. Yes, hide me if I hide it. No, I'm not gonna tolerate that. You can't get rid of that off my phone.
No.
No, sir. I'm gonna use my phone next time. Anisha, how you doing?
Anicia, good evening.
Which language? What kind of language? Patois. Patois, me just talking. Yeah, Patois.
Sandra Spencer.
Sandra Spencer, what's going on? Audrey Shaw, Miss Trinidad and Tobago. Long time.
Carol
Long time in a
James,
see.
good evening.
Yeah. Oh, I turn on the AC and boy. Up here get
Dramatic.
warm. Up here warm. Up here warm. I'm gonna start drink yet. What's going on, my queens, my kings? What's
And
going
good
on,
evening.
people? Good evening. I'm gonna come over for come see
Bam
you.
Bam Jamaica.
Bam Bam Jamaica. Big up yourself.
Well gone.
Yes. Pamela Scott. Good evening.
Good evening, Pamela.
Good evening. How you all doing? It's been a minute since.
Bold and beautiful lashes. Good evening.
Bold and beautiful lashes. You need to come to my lashes.
Mine too.
See? Me not want a lash. And when I put them on, me not used to them. So, me have issues. Issues. But me know you can't hook me up. Hook me up. Hook a sister up.
Hook a girl up.
Hook a girl up. Yes.
Judy, good evening.
Audrey, sure that you said too?
A long time she not see me.
A long time you not see we. You not come on when we're there on. That's why. Yes. Judy Thompson, good night. Everybody doing well? Wanna tell me, one time I play with my earring and I said chocolate. Stop playing with your earring. May I try break out of the habit there. Wanna need to tell me if you stop it. Yes. I need to tell me if you stop it. When I see me I do it, says chocolate, cut it out.
I do the same thing.
Yes, I don't know when me get that
that.
all the time. And I only when me come on live. Once me have an earring, me always a play with it. Always a. Wanna notice?
Mine's my hair.
Your ear.
Mine always play with my hair.
Maureen Douglas. Wagwan.
Maureen.
Carol James. Angela.
Angela.
How you doing? Lombardo. Nadia Thomas.
Nardia.
You're good. Oh no, everybody good? Yes. We just stopping. New York, we're not gonna say the names. New York, y'all know who you are. Your stuff, they're ready to be shipped. We have New York right here. So your stuff will be shipped out tomorrow, New York, all right? Enjoy them. Yes, enjoy them. And Jamaica, I've already told you guys that we're going to be shipping the end of the month or the beginning of the month, of next month for you guys. So we already packaged out y'all stuff. Don't you worry.
It's all packaged out.
You know, so we try to be organized. Yes, we try to keep it organized and stuff. What? Me all over the place. Miss Lothian!
Miss Lothian, well
Cheers! Done. Cheers and bench. Cheers and bench. And the good stuff, the good up stuff.
Cheers on some water.
She said she have to drive home. And the girl just lives 7 minutes from me.
Listen.
What kind of light head you have?
Listen, I'm having my contacts, I can't see.
So who tell if you drive over here blind?
So?
I know Miss Lothian tell you that.
No, I not blame Miss Lothian.
And people, we never did tell her no how delicious Miss Lothian's food
if you haven't tried it.
And I know because we love her, and I know because she's a good up somebody, and none of that. The food was off the chain.
Oh my God.
Remember me tell you, say if me ain't like it, me ain't mention it.
It was so good.
Me not care at who. If it never did good, me ain't talk about it. Me not care.
You know what?
But me telling you the truth.
Make some people on the plane mouth water, you see?
You see the pork? Mighty God. Miss Lothian, how you do to a pork? You see all the fried Barbie chicken? Jesus gosh. Me I tell you. It turn up, you know?
Yes.
Miss Lothian, me taste a toenail in the pork. Because you turn up in that. You step in it. Me not ask. Miss Lothian step in her things them. Yeah. She stand up in it. Me not ask you know. And anybody who gonna go buy food can know say and a lie. True. Chocolate come here and tell. Yeah.
Food is
me not gonna lie for nobody. Me not gonna lie for nobody.
Delicious.
Yeah, me not care who you be. If it ain't good, chocolate would have mentioned nothing. Me that play like some, me not remember nothing about it. But me are telling us a Miss Lothian food is off the chain. And my brother-in-law said the same thing because him did go in there behind us, him just named up on camera and come out with a whole bag load of food. And him said the food turn up. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Miss Lothian, go on do your things. Yes, because you know you have some people who jump up and a cook and they not no business to cook. You have all business to cook. You're born for this.
Yes.
Yeah, you're born for this.
You found your
Yeah, you have some people in America you will cook Jamaican food when I have no business to cook Jamaican food. You hear me? No business. Them not have. Yeah, they're not even for put on a pot. Yes. The things where they get up and want to sell people and tell people about a Jamaican food, they not have no business to do it. Them for lock them up. Yes, me not lie. Me not lying. Yeah. Some of them just give a country a bad name.
Food good, man.
Yeah, me tell us every food turn up. Some of them give a country a bad name with the kind of food them a cook and a call it Jamaican food. Me not stutter. I show me a talk. Yeah. You go and you eat some of them oxtail. It's sweet, it's sweet, it's sweet. It's sweeter than coconut drops. Remember me tell you, yes. You get diabetes before you done it. But me I tell you, say, Mr. Lothian, whatever you put in the pork, you not to put it in there, you hear me? You not to put it. I mean, I want nobody when I'm pork. Come talk to me about the pork, you understand? Yeah. The pork dead and the pork, whatever in a pork, it dead. Yes. You understand when they turn up a fire under 350 degree, kill whatever in there. Me love my pork, especially part with like a skin panny. Oh, Jesus Christ. What? Yeah. Me will come back vegetarian in our next life. You understand? But for now, give me my meat. Yes, my meat. And she give me meat. She not stingy with it.
Not at all.
She not stingy with it.
Not at all.
No.
And heavy.
Yes.
And
I know
heavy.
some of those kind of people, they shouldn't even boil. Shouldn't even boil water. Yes. Because because one time I move out here at Georgia. I said I go around and check out some Jamaican restaurants. And my husband and I, we used to go on the weekends just to drive around, put it in our GPS and just drive around for find Jamaican restaurant. Some of them, me shouldn't even look for. Remember me tell you, waste my gas. You understand? Waste a gas. No business about them a cook Jamaican food. No business. Because when me not see no Jamaican food look so. No. Yes. Look like a hog food. True. Yes. It's chocolate. Beverly Taylor Wagwan. The pork dead till it can't dead no more. You understand? Make sure that pork did dead. You understand? It dead. And it turn up with all I flavor them up in it. Yes. So my pork them when me name alive. Cause one time I name them ride my chest like them that Cayman's Park. You understand? The one that just sit down in my gut. Sit down. The agga did have manners. You understand? Miss Lawton, your pork have manners. Yeah, sit down right where it needed to sit down. It did what it's supposed to do. You understand? The pork sit down in my gut. When me say me eat upon the plane, the pork take a seat with me on the plane. Yeah, the pork have discipline. Some of them what they make no have no discipline. Yeah, none. No discipline, no flavor, nothing. Ride my chest. Like a jacket them that came in a spark. Me not lie. Yes. Good night. Good night, Natasha. Yes.
Really? Sharon?
Oh, Carol, you love pork too. I love pork. Me not afraid for some I love pork. I love pork. Yes. I love food. Yeah. One I can't tell.
We'll see
Me
you
not
next
deprived. If me
evening.
deprived or not, me not deprived of food. Yeah. Yeah. Because I make a conscious decision when I come here. I say them food when I couldn't have food for buy me. Me I come here, come yam them. And that I did. What? Me cut down still, but yeah. Me did go wild with it. Yeah, hear me? Yeah, man.
Ever bless Nikki.
Ever bless Nikki. Wagwan. What a go on. Yes. Me not lying to honor. And I'm not becoming under a rum punch either. Me talk the truth and no say me come with the truth, none but the truth. So help me God. Yes. So tonight me and Vanilla there have to talk about what pet peeves. Anybody point here have any pet peeves? Yeah? Things that just annoy you. Pet peeve, things you just don't like. Yeah? So me want to ask Vanilla first. Vanilla, what is a pet peeve of yours?
People who act like they're perfect and never ever make a mistake.
Yeah.
That bothers me.
Yeah.
Nobody's perfect. Everybody makes mistakes. That's why they have erasers at the end of pencils.
That's why there's a what?
Eraser at the end of a pencil.
You know some make a thief that Vanilla.
That's
You're
why.
smart, you know.
Yeah,
that's why they put eraser up on the NI pencil.
Yep.
Because they know where mess up.
Because they know where mess up and them erase it. And they have to erase your mistake and
Oh,
correct
wow.
it.
Yes.
If you can correct it, you
Yep.
correct it.
Natasha, me fi tell you. One nice like some nice stew pork with some gungo rice and peas. Yeah. Nobody get me start up with the food business. Because nobody not gonna look for me different. You understand? Now get me start up. You know, nobody get me. Me know food. I know when food tastes good. Because my palate, you know what I mean? My palate, and not only Jamaican food me eat, me try other different culture food. So me have a, a broad palate. You understand? Yes, man. Me eat Greek food, Italian food, Mexican food, Chinese food. Me stay away from the Chinese food because me used to them have meal mix. And the last thing me need for eat, I'm like a pet puss. What me did have. You understand? So me keep away from Chinese. Me afraid of Chinese food. Yes. It's the only food me afraid to eat. Me not mess with it. Me used to them have meal mix and bow wow mix. Yes. Me not mess with it. Yes. So, yes.
Now come get chocolate for me,
Yeah,
huh?
but me I tell you, try a lot of food. Asian food. Yes, man. Yeah. So that is a pet peeve of yours.
That is a pet peeve of mine, yes.
Yes. So, all right. What is a pet peeve of mine? I don't like to give people my number. And when they give them my number, every damn day, they send me a video clip. Or you know them little thing there where them say, share it with 10 of your friends. Drive me nuts.
I don't like that either.
Drive me absolutely nuts.
I agree with that pet peeve. Have that pet
One
peeve.
Bible verse for month. Not every day. Every morning.
And TikToks.
And TikTok video.
Jeez.
And what annoys me most is the person will just drop a video in my WhatsApp with first thing in the morning without even saying good morning. Drive me totally nuts. That is a pet peeve of mine. At least a good morning before you warm up on social media. You understand? Go watch a video. At least a good morning. Right. Yes. So that is a pet peeve of mine.
I agree with that pet peeve. That's a pet peeve of mine too.
You must try some Grenadian oil down. Huh?
Okay.
All right. I will try that. Oh, and I've had Ethiopian food too. Me never did like the bread thing with them give with the Ethiopian food. Me not like the texture of it. You understand? Me not like the texture. The other stuff them did alright, but me never did like the texture. No, me didn't like the texture of it. It remind me of like it texture just remind me of tripe. You know a big broad tripe them where you turn inside. The texture of them bread just remind me. It just never did sit well with me. You know what I mean? Yes. Me gonna be honest, my friend one of my friend are Ethiopian and me try our food, yes, but me ain't like the bread part. The bread and them serve the bread like almost everything. Me ain't like the bread. Yes. But that is one of my pet peeves. What is yours?
Another one of mine is somebody who's a know-it-all. Like, oh.
Like me? I'm just playing.
No.
No, I'm just playing.
Or people, like, when you tell them something, they always try to outdo, like you're telling them a story, and they try and outdo the story. They always know somebody who's had that situation. And that drives me crazy. You don't know every time you talk to that person, it's the same thing. They always have a story to come.
Good night, Marcia
to what you're telling them. Come on, you don't know everybody that has that same story. Give me a break. That's annoying.
Oh, that is annoying.
Yes.
Okay. Anissa said, me eat that chocolate. Me have people in my contact who will never say morning or how you doing, but keep sending the message that says send it to many others. Yeah. I cannot stand it. I cannot stand it. Not at all. One of my pet peeves too, I hate to say post on social media with deform, like, you know, babies that are deformed or people who are deformed, terribly deformed, you know what I mean? Yeah, I mean, I like that. Or people where are in an accident and lose limbs or, you know, accident or somebody will get killed and them show the graphic.
Person,
the graphic. It's very graphic. Yeah, I mean, I like that. And I like to deform people. Right. Yeah, and sometimes it pop up in my feed or somebody would deform them head of, you know what I mean? Yes. Or them whole body covered as something. Yeah. Yeah, it kind of creeped me out. Yeah. Yeah. Gloria
look when them, you know, you're like, oh my God, I feel so sorry for that person, you know?
Yeah, me just not like see. Me just not like see stuff with deform people on in a social media or any pictures at all like that. It kind of spooked me out. Yeah? Yeah, stuff like that. Yeah. What another one of yours?
People who drive slow in the fast lane. Why are you in the fast lane? Why are you in the fast lane if you're not going to do at least the speed limit or more? Yeah. That drives me crazy because you're blocking traffic.
And we all know so you is a super speeder. No. Super speeder this. Super speeder.
Me
Yeah.
like to drive at a good speed. Put it that way.
Super
And get where me I
speeder.
go safely.
Super speeder. You hear me? Super speeder. That's all me have to say.
Good
I know
evening,
they-
teaching you my cooking skills.
Auntie! Pick up yourself, Auntie! What a go on, my sister.
Yes, men don't like people who drive slow in the fast lane. Why- You don't need to be over there. They have 2 other lanes for you for staying up.
But Vanilla, you is a super speeder. You cannot go slow. That's the thing with you.
Yes, I can.
So everybody are gonna annoy you because you're just a speedy ass person. All when we have 200 hours for spear. You feel like you need to do that in a 10 minutes.
No.
Every time
no.
I drive with Vanilla, my foot them hurt me.
Ma
From
always-
pressing the
ma always
brakes.
tell us,
I may
say,
not
If
drive.
you don't want me to drive, then you need to drive yourself. Don't make me drive. If you're going to complain when we drive yourself.
Yeah, but you know something
You
like to be
complain
chauffeur
about the
driven.
brakes and your foot and y'all gotta get a heart attack and all this. Then don't make me drive. Drive yourself.
Yeah, well, every time I go somewhere, you volunteer for drive. Because you feel like me not gonna get
drive
you.
your auntie.
The taxi man bad drive, auntie.
Oh.
No, sir. Well, me know so them drive crazy out. That's all. At Jamaica, especially the taxi man them. That are what me weakness. Yes,
man.
all the time.
Yes.
For me heart and for me hand. Yes.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. But Vanilla
You're
don't do
free for
fine.
driver- no.
Vanilla drive like a taxi man. Them
No, I
auntie.
don't.
Mhm, she
Unless
drive like
you
a
tell
taxi.
auntie.
She drive like a taxi man, them auntie. Don't make Vanilla ever drive you.
Unless you tell auntie.
Yes, every time I drive with Vanilla,
Is she not in one
as
piece?
soon as me go in them, I want pee-pee. Yes.
Is she in one piece? Yes, she is. Chocolate is in one piece.
Yeah, me have to
She
warn
doesn't have to
her.
wrap around her head or anything like that.
Me have to
because,
warn
you know,
Vanilla.
No.
Me have to warn her.
No,
Every time me
man.
and her go drive, me make sure
No.
lay down my laws and my rules them for Vanilla. Worse all when we go to New York City and Vanilla for driving in New York. Mighty God. No.
Look, you go to New York, you have to drive like the New Yorkers drive. They can't drive slow and get run off of the road and we get in an accident.
But you can't just drive normal.
They
How
don't
about
drive.
that?
They don't drive normal.
She's a maniac on
They-
the road.
Am
Yes.
I wrong? They
Maniac.
don't drive normal on New York.
Paulette Anderson, good night.
Carla, good evening. They don't drive normal in New York. So
Every
when you drive in
time.
New York, you have to drive like them.
Every time I drive with Vanilla, my foot them hurt me from pressing the brakes. You hear me, people? Me
No.
come home, my foot them hot me.
So stop making me
Might
drive.
as well me just walk which palm I want go.
Next
Yes.
time, drive then.
All right, Vanilla,
You
let
drive,
me drive.
you drive from now on then.
All right,
Make
Vanilla.
me be chauffeur driven.
Okay, Vanilla.
All right.
All right.
Uno,
Cause we
yeah,
have
that
to go
uno,
on
no
and on
witness, you know.
all night, so me have to just agree. You
Uno, no
understand?
witness, you know.
Have to just
All
agree
right.
to make it done. Yes, but not drive with her. No one drive with her. Okay, that was you.
That
and
was
your
me,
Pet,
yeah.
And your pet peeve.
People who drive slow into the fast lane.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
You know, so my hand I punch and me no remember all for my pet peeve. Then me I be honest with you, no, so that's not me no remember. Me have to start make up some. I me no remember them. me no remember.
That's
I'm
chocolate.
not a fan of fast driving. It's like my heart is coming out and the car have more more steering wheel. Me drive.
Chocolate
I'm
need
a
her own
careful
steering wheel.
driver. I drive. I'm a really, really good driver. Yes, and I don't speed. I go at maybe like 5 over the speed limit.
Uno, believe that if you want, believe that
Like
here.
5.
Uno, believe
You
that
understand?
if you want, believe
So,
that.
auntie, you can drive with me.
Uno, believe that if you want, believe
That
that
one,
here.
yeah? No. Yeah.
Believe that if you want, believe that about 5 miles an hour over the speed limit.
5.
5,
5.
10.
The Mach 10 is the maximum.
All right, so
10
what?
is the maximum.
And as soon as you see a cup, you slam on the brake.
No. Me not for worry when
That's
I see
another
a car.
pet peeve I have, you know. Why if you're not speeding, you shouldn't have to slam on the brake. They're not going to pull you over if you're doing the speed limit.
Okay, I'll say. But me have a situation here, guys. I'm not tell me if me wrong. Right? I know this girl, this woman, right? I know her from New Hampshire. And I just got a message from her. I haven't heard from her, oh God, in years. She inboxed me on my on Messenger, right? So when I started out my business in 2014, right? I launched it on my personal Facebook page. She's a friend in my Facebook page, and she knew that I launched it. I reached out. I told everybody about it. She was one of them. She called me a few times and, you know, asked me for the website. I gave it to her. She had a wedding to go at one point, and she said she wanted to purchase a dress from me. And I went on the website with her while she was on the phone. And she said, yeah, man, I love the one year, and I love the 1 year. I'm going to go back and I'm going to, you know, I'm going to buy it for the wedding. She came to Georgia once and come visit. And she called me and she said, I'm in Atlanta. And I went to go meet up with her in the city, you know, just to see her. All right. Time passed, but she never purchased anything from my website, never supported me in any ways. It's when last week I got a message from her in Messenger, and she said to me that she wants to start up a business, and she wants to know if I can provide her with some of the manufacturers that I buy my stuff from. And guys, what would you do in my situation? Would you give it to her still? Like, provide her with the manufacturers, even though she have never ever supported me? I'm on the fence with this one. My good heart is saying, yes, go ahead. But there's this little voice in my head saying, no, don't do it. Because, oh, she know about why all of a sudden now, after all these years, she never reach out to me, never contact me or anything like that, until she want to do a business now. She, for some strange reason, she find me, again. The contact again, and want to get information from me about business. What would you guys do?
Them say no.
Them say no. Me feel like, you know.
Them say no way.
You know. Me need help because the message keep popping up. Yes, keep popping up.
Don't give her any information.
Yeah. Chocolate and vanilla ice cream. George, what's up? Slim Stew Corner. Not giving her any info.
Say no. So no, I wanted.
You wouldn't, right? Because me think about it and I'm like, you know, why, you know, come on, you never supported me. All these years you have promised that you would go and you would support me. I mean, if she hadn't promised, then that would have been fine. If she
it would have been a different story.
It would have been a different story, you understand? But she never supported me, you know, and then all of us, and I haven't heard from her in years, and all of a sudden she found me and she want me now to give her information on how to start up her business and tell her about my manufacturers and all them information. Yeah. So you just are gonna reach out to me because you want information from me. You know what I'm saying?
Louise said tell her for bug off.
Exactly. Exactly. I was talking to Vanilla about it. And I'm like, you know, not because you're a nice person and you want to see other people you know, succeed. But you should treat people how you want to be treated. You know, correct me if I'm wrong. You know what I'm saying? No, you want something from me, and that's the only reason you are going to reach out to me. And that's also one of my pet peeves. With people who only want to reach out to you because they want something from you. I can't stand that. You understand? You have some people, them not reach out just to say, "Hi, how you doing?" You know,
You never hear from them
until them want something from you. Yeah, she is a user. That's what I've been thinking. Yes, that's what I'm saying to myself.
Everybody has
the
said
user.
She's a user.
Yeah, she is a user. Yeah, she came down here, and I didn't have to go meet up with her, but I thought it was a nice thing to do because I live here, and I wanted her to have a good experience.
And
you know, somebody that I know. So I went and I met up with her. Yeah, and all the time, it's more than once. She called me, and she act like she always can't remember the website address. I've given it to her so many times.
Business card.
Business card, because we send out a whole bunch of business cards when we launch.
Yeah.
You know, and she was one of them that we sent it to.
We sent her more than one.
Yes. And every time she called, she pretend like, "Oh, I don't remember the website. Can you give me the website?" I went on with her, and there were multiple stuff that she loved. And like, yes, I'm gonna get this, I'm gonna get that. And then nothing. She never purchased anything. And it's not like it's a person that cannot afford to buy to buy stuff from us. But all of a sudden, you know, you want to do a business now. You want to get information from me. Me to provide you with information on how to go about doing your business. So what about when you were supposed to support me?
Right.
You understand?
Right.
Yes.
So she's using her to make money.
Yeah, she's not going to use me. She's not going to use me. But you know what I mean? I have to be tough, really. I
know sometimes it's hard because you want everybody to succeed.
Right. I don't want nobody to feel like say, you're doing well with your business and this and that and we need some help. But you know what? No, me not do it, because the thing is, you could have supported me. Yes, if I even for share information with people.
Not even a share on her page.
Not even a share, not even for tell our friends, because I know of her friends too. She never tell them about my business or the store. Yeah. So, some people just want everything to be handed to them, and they don't feel as though they need to, support. Forget support. You should always support them. And it don't work like that. And I like say, do something, forget something. You understand what I'm saying? But worse when you know the person, because I've known her long before I even started a business. Yeah. You understand? So in that case, I would expect her to support me, because this is somebody that I'm cool with. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah, somebody when me used to go to church.
Yeah.
She invited me to her church. Me go to church. Used to go to church almost every Sunday.
I met her through you.
Yes, I used to go to her church every Sunday.
Yeah.
You know what I mean saying? So, no.
They said tell her to get the info from the business she supports.
Right. Exactly. Go get it. Because you know what, two people? And what I looked into, because a lot of people, when you start a business, a lot of people aren't gonna believe in you. You understand? Because from 2014, me sure some of them give me a month, some give me 2 months, some give me a year. You understand?
So, some say you won't even make a year.
Exactly. So because she really didn't believe that I was gonna persevere, I was gonna push on, and I was gonna make sure my business do well. She didn't believe that.
True.
She didn't believe that. And because she sit back and say, wow, say from 2014, chocolate, I do this.
And it's,
yeah.
how many years later,
let me find out. Oh shit. Yeah. Let me find out. Oh shit. Yeah.
And then the next thing she'll ask is, what's your secret? Why you do this? How you do that?
Yeah, me not no secret for tell nobody. Yeah. Secret, me not no secret.
Latoya Mullins, music. Good evening,
Latoya, how you doing? Tony Ann, how you doing?
Tony Ann.
Yes. Yeah, I wish I could look in her face and tell her no, but unfortunately upon Messenger, I'm not going to take the time out to call her. I'm not going to do that. I saw the message came in on my Messenger, and I could see what the message says. right? Me not click into it. Me see what it say. Yes.
The notification at the top.
Me see what it say without clicking into it.
Yeah.
So I'll know me not click into it. Me see what it say. Yeah, about asking me about a manufacturer. Yes.
Yeah.
Me see it. Yes. That's how I speak tonight. Yes, you have to support people and you have to support people that you know, your family, your friends. You understand? You can't expect that you're gonna wanna creep upon somebody after you feel like they've become successful at what they're doing. Now you can use them. No. What about at the initial stage when things were hard? Everything weren't good right out the door. It wasn't. It wasn't good right out the door. Let me tell you. It wasn't. It wasn't a hit right out the door. It takes a lot of hard work, dedication, perseverance, shutting out the noise, knowing that this is a passion of yours. This is what you want to do. Shut off the noise. And just focus in. That's it.
Yeah.
And no matter what nobody say, you just push on. You know, them have a saying, Rome never built in a one day, and that's literally it. You understand?
It takes a lot of hard work and dedication, and you have to be dedicated to it.
There were times when I feel like, oh, let me just throw in the damn towel. It coming like them read right, the naysayers, and I say no. That was just for a moment. Pull myself back in and say, no, I'm not doing this for anyone. I'm doing this for myself. And I deserve to be committed to what I want to do. Yes, I deserve this. So I have to push for me. Yes.
Yep.
And that's exactly what I did. Yes. So, and there were a lot of people that did not believe in what I was doing.
Yeah.
A lot of people.
Yeah.
Yes. But it wasn't for them to believe. Because the one them want to believe, them not support you.
Right.
It's the one them that's going to support you is for them to believe. You understand? Yes. When you learn that, and you know that, nobody can distract you from your goal or your dreams. Yes, you have to go after it. Yes, literally, you have to be like a person who's drowning. And you know what? There's no option but to try and save myself. There's no one to save me. But me not die. Me not go drown today. Yes? And you keep and you fight and fight. Yes, that's how you do it. Let me tell you, more people aren't going to believe in you than who's going to believe in you. And the people that you think should have believed in you
or be in your corner.
They're not going to be there.
Yep.
They're not. They're not.
Very
you know,
true.
when them all be there, when them see the benefit, when them see the success are come. That's the time them would start creep. Them like a way. Oh, me didn't know it don't work for you now. Jesus. Me say from me hear an idea, me didn't know it was a great idea.
Yeah, I didn't know. I knew you were going to be successful.
Me say me could have tell you. Me say me could have tell you, man. From your spit out the idea, me could have tell you. Although you ain't quiet. And then I say nothing. Although you did say, me didn't think it's such a great idea. Then I remember none of that, you know. None of that, then I remember. Remember I tell you. Yes. That's how it go. When you want to do something, you're going to meet upon them things there. You're going to meet upon them things there. Then them start talk about, you know, bigger stores than yours.
Yeah.
You understand? Because they want you to feel insecure in a way you're about to do. You understand? Yes. Them go, whatever you choose to do them up. Yeah, some people are going to bring up somebody where everybody didn't know somebody where.
Everybody,
where they
Very
try
true.
to do that and it never work.
Yeah.
Well, you know all of them people there. But you don't know about me.
Right.
That's it.
Right.
It's my job now to show you about me. Yes, because you see, all of them people, they will feel at it. But you never did see me. All right? So watch me. Sit down and watch me and pay attention. Yes. You understand? Yes.
Or you have them people, when you're doing the business, will tell you, oh, I can help you do this and I can help you do that.
All the promises.
But when push comes to shove, they know where to be found.
Nowhere. You have to learn
You can't
a lot
hear
of
from
things
them. You have to find out
on
how to
your
do
own.
things on your own.
A lot of things on
Yeah.
our own.
We learned a lot on our
Remember,
own.
I'm telling you.
Yes.
We know all the way all the computer nerds, all the website makers. We have all of them round way. But when push come to shove,
They
we
were
couldn't
nobody
find them.
found.
Them disappear.
Mhm.
Disappear pan way. Disappear, me I tell you. And a good thing, me and Vanilla have brain. Okay, and sit down and research things ourselves.
And boy, did we
Yes,
research.
because
and
them
research
time
and
that when they
research.
have the money for go paying a big website maker for create nothing for we. No, we ain't have it to do that. You understand? We have a money for buy with product and stuff like that. We used to spend a lot of money in a photo shoot until we learn.
Mhm.
Yeah? We still get models.
Yeah.
I have to pay them. You understand? Buy these expensive equipment and all of them things there. Yes? And we'll learn.
We learned the hard way.
We'll learn the hard way.
But we had nobody to tell us.
But the bottom line is,
We learned.
we did learn.
Mhm.
We did.
Yeah, we learned
We did
from our
learn.
mistakes.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's the bottom line. We did learn. You understand?
Trials and tribulations. You know, you don't know what's going to work. You try something, it works. Okay, you continue. If it doesn't work, you say, all right, let's try something new.
Exactly. So I'm just telling you how some people stay out there. And she's one of them. All of a sudden now, she find my number. Couldn't find it for all these years to even call and say, hi, how you doing? You understand? But all of a sudden she found it because she want what? Information from me. No, I'm not nobody use her now. Because I'm sure as hell not going to make she use me. Yes. So that's one of my pet peeves too. You understand? When people just use you as a convenient.
Yeah.
When it's convenient.
Being around you for convenience.
For convenience.
Yeah.
Yes? Yes, that's one. What's another one of yours?
When people don't put things back where they found it.
Oh, God.
You take something out of the cupboard, you know what cupboard you took it out of, you'll put it back in that cupboard where you got it.
So you'd have got absolutely crazy living with my husband. Because the other day, my husband was looking for his cell phone. Can I tell you which part the cell phone did the people? In the fridge.
Well, I can say I'm not surprised. I'm not surprised.
In the fridge. Me call the cell phone and hear the cell phone a ring in the fridge.
No,
You know the tray upon the door in the fridge where you go and you take out we have the egg, the egg thing, and you put the egg
he was
in there.
making himself.
He must go in there to take out eggs. And
put it where the eggs
rest him cell phone
are. To take out the
to
eggs.
take out the eggs. And couldn't find his cell phone. Me call the phone in the fridge. The phone a ring. Yeah. You understand? In the fridge.
I love you, my brother-in-law, but
Yes.
no.
One time, me I look for the orange juice. Me like, no man.
I remember.
We just buy a nice big jug of orange juice.
It can't be done already.
It can't. I just throw away. Where orange juice there? We I look for the damn orange juice. And he must say, man, maybe we left it in our car from when we go shopping and go in our car trunk and look for orange juice. I said, no man, because me use some of my orange juice, me drink some out of it already. I did open and it in our fridge. Why orange juice? The orange juice in the rotted cupboard. You understand? In a damn cupboard where spices them and everything there. In the cupboard.
No,
the orange juice sit down. Orange juice not good again. Because you know say if you keep on fridge.
Right.
And they lock up in a cupboard. Sitting up in a cupboard.
Right.
That's
Nice,
weird.
warm. Hot.
Warm. Hot.
Probably hot at that point.
Yes. You understand? Yeah.
Found her husband's eyeglasses in the refrigerator.
You find out.
Were they foggy?
Oh my God! So you couldn't, no, you're not gonna crazy with Nike.
Yeah.
That's
I like things where you found it, put it back.
Yeah, me like it too, but unfortunately, it no go so. It no go so over here. You understand? It don't go so over here. No, it no go so. So you wouldn't manage. Clifford put back things when him.
No.
So how you survive over there then?
I struggle.
Because I know say must run in our bloodline.
Yeah, I struggle.
Oh Jesus God, no sir.
I struggle with him and the kids. It drives me crazy. I'm like, you can't put, and then I have to get mad. You can't put things back where you found it.
Let me tell you our next one.
Then they say I'm miserable.
Mike drove my truck. We drove, go over my brother's house. Him drove there and back.
Mm-hmm.
So the next day, you know, me I look for my truck key. Could I find my truck key? So me I say, Mike, you lost the truck key. He must say, no, babes, me no lost the truck key. The truck key day here. So me say, if it day here, I'm not seeing it. Where is it? Him looking at him pants pocket, the truck key not there. We're going to the laundry room. I look on the washer in a there. We say, okay, hear him now, no? Start blaming upon my poor little granddaughter, no? I must see she fling it somewhere. Me I said no.
Has she take it up?
Me said no because last night we go over our brother and my granddaughter wasn't here. So what you do with the key? We look under the sofa. Me say.
You look everywhere.
We look everywhere.
Search for truck.
A whole house, cribbits and corner. Then me say, you know what? Me now go upstairs. Go look up there now. Because me know so we not go upstairs. Yeah? Me tired. Me tired for search. Me say, matter of fact, we should not search the key this hard. You know? You just drive it last night. He said we have one spare. Yes? Him get his spare. But me still want my original keys. Because they have whole heap of other keys, Panny, understand?
Mm-hmm.
Me want your his spare key just have on it just a truck key
the
alone.
So-so key.
It's so key. Me want back my bunch of keys. Yes.
Your house key, everything.
Him go cut. Him go cut a next set of key, next set of key. House key, cause the house key they depend it. So I'm gonna cut house key. Lord Jesus. You don't know which part the key did there. I bet you not believe. The key did in the bed.
In the bed?
In the bed. We find the key.
What the heck?
In the bed.
What's wrong with him? How the key ended up in the bed?
I don't know how the keys end up in the bed. In a bed. Parfum side of the bed. Him have a side of the bed. No, me have a side of the bed.
Me have a side, my husband have a side.
Yes. Parfum side of the rotted bed. In the comforter, me find the rotted bunch of keys.
He has a problem, man.
Mm-hmm.
You need to put a track upon everything. You need to put a track on everything, man. No, sir.
I am guilty as charged. I found my husband eyeglass. I will read that already. Why the comment then now move? Yes. In the bed, the bunch of keys, they're there. Mm-hmm. Yes.
No, sir.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm-hmm. So.
Rose Kitchen, good evening.
Good night, Rose Kitchen. How you doing?
Yeah, so people who don't put things back where they found it.
Oh, that's another
pet peeve. That's a pet peeve of mine. Yeah.
Mine is also, I don't like giving somebody something and they don't say thank you.
Oh, that's mine too.
Yeah. Yeah. At least say thank you.
Yeah. Or when they ask for something, they don't say please.
Or please, right. They're just common, you know, courtesy.
Yeah.
Yes.
Or
please
they don't say
thank you.
And you're welcome.
Yeah, please. Well, me ain't too used to the welcome part.
Me used to the
used to the
please,
thank you and please.
Thank you and you're welcome.
And when I come up here, the welcome part, you understand, me learn me get into the welcome part. But me know if it's always taught to say please and thank you. Yes. So that's
because you know sometimes when I go in some place and I hold the door for somebody and they won't say thank you, I'll say you're welcome.
Yo, make sure they know.
And make sure they can hear me too. You're welcome.
You're welcome. Oh my God, too funny. But before we leave tonight, right? Can I know some? When I come out here and stay too long. And worse, me I drink this. But me I gotta test my 3-card skills. Me have a ace of spade, ace of heart, and a what is? Queen of spade, right?
Can't see it. Yes. Queen of spades, ace of spades, and ace of diamonds. All right, here you go.
And before we go, I just want to leave some love with someone.
The number's pinned. What's
hold
up,
on, hold on. You don't give me a chance to explain.
I'm just saying. Let me get a piece of paper and a pen.
You know, some one guy bathroom from a fruit punch. Oh, no, not hear that. Oh, not hear? Okay. So, let's test my 3 cards skills with a lucky person. Just leaving some love with y'all tonight. At $20 in credit for the lucky person who was gonna guess where the Queen of Spade is. I'm gonna lower the camera, and if you can call in and guess which one, you win $20 in credits. Leaving some love with someone tonight. All right, hold on. Hold on. May I forget about tomorrow, baby.
All right. No, why these comments are stuck? Can't see nothing. Micah, wait on you for get drunk. Forgive your wine, then say. Put something and then say, yes, Andrew. When them say, then put something away and then can't find it. Then blame you for it. Everything is your fault because then can't find it. No, man, that's right. Then blame you for everything when they can't find things. You know, send me to give it to you. You know this, you know that. I feel fault. Me see you with it. Me see you with it last. Yes, I feel fault why they can't find it. No, man.
Yeah, out here chat say.
No, when them can't find something and then blame you for it. When they can't find something and then blame you for it.
Oh, yes.
Say a fearful when they can't find it.
Mike always, as soon as he's saying can't find something, me like, don't look for me. Don't look over here, sir. Because he left all his wallet in the garage. Him will left him car window in the driveway down, and it pour and rain all start fall.
And a fearful.
And no, him not blame me for that.
Oh.
Yeah. But that it will have all them car door open out there. Wide open.
The key in the door.
Wide open the car door. Go out there, one door wide open.
I've come here and seen he's left the key in the door.
Yeah, and left the key in at the door.
Yeah.
Front door. Yeah. A lot of us don't know that manners make it, man. True. You know, some people just don't have no manners. Yeah, that's not true. No manners at all. All right. So, you ready? All ready? Yes, I go to the bathroom already. I wash my hand and I come back. Yeah, right, that's right there. Okay. Like nobody did ask me that, right? Okay. All ready? We're going to lower the camera.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah. Okay. So I have a table here. So I used to see them play the game all the time. As a matter of fact, when I live in New York, them win me money. I feel like I could have win, but I know said no. Afterwards, I learned so there's no way I could have win. Yeah. We have to ignore that. Yeah. So I'm gonna try my 3-card skills. Alright? I know I probably suck at it, but such is life. I can't be good at everything. So, the S.
The S.
The Queen.
The Ace.
The Ace. A S we call it Jamaica, don't, or a Ace? A Ace? Or which one?
Ace, me know it is.
Anyways, A one will look like
The
A.
Ace of Spades.
One will look like A. You have the
Queen of Spades. And the Ace of Diamonds.
And the Ace. The A. Capital A. So.
He's not a card player.
So I'm going to shuffle it. Yeah, shuffle it round. Right, that's what I do it. Yeah, shuffle it. And if you can call and tell me and choose the one, hold on, if I go down some more, choose the card, and I can see it?
Now they can.
Now they can see it. May I shuffle it again?
What they're calling?
Which picky, call, answer. Hello.
Hello, good night.
Hello.
Hello, night.
Good night. Which one do you want to pick?
One in the middle.
The one in the middle?
Yeah.
No, the
Ace
one
of Diamonds.
Ace of Diamond.
All right, she has to shuffle again.
Yeah, no, go next one to you. Next call. We are shuffle. All right.
Hello, good night.
Good night.
You tell me next call. She'll shuffle.
One on your left.
Hold on, she's shuffling.
Suck at this.
The one on your left.
The one on your left.
This one? This one? Can you see?
She's behind.
Which one? The
That one there? The one her hands on?
One, yeah, one on your left. Your left, my right.
Uh-huh, that one. Hey!
Who is it?
Who is this?
This is Tashi.
Tasha, you're so damn lucky. You got it. I suck at this. I suck at the 3-card thing. I suck. Suck. I suck at it. I suck. Suck. I suck at it.
All right, Tasha, you know what to do. Text us. Text us, okay?
All right, Tashi.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Tashi. I suck.
So much.
All right.
Who gonna teach me how to do
Bye,
it? Who gonna teach me? I swear my chin don't get it. How you do it?
Let me try.
It's alright, it's over.
I know. Next time.
You guys good? Well, we'll be back. Promise this time. Last weekend we couldn't come on, even though we promised that we're gonna be back on Sunday, but we hold me to this one. We'll be back. Alright?
Then say you need for practice.
Me go practice. Me go watch some video and practice. You understand? Wanna laugh
I
off
said
for me
practice
phone.
makes perfect, yeah?
Wanna laugh off for my phone. Cause I can't play 3 card. My feelings that you know. You understand? My feelings, yeah. Anyways, yes, we'll be back with giving away more credits on Sunday and praise and worship. But you know it's gonna be service style, right?
That's right.
Yeah, man. Big up on yourself and thank you all for sitting down listening to us.
Thank you for joining us. Thank you for the stars.
Oh, we got some stars?
I see them up there.
Oh, thank you
I
very much.
didn't see them on here.
Thank you. Thank you
I
so
didn't
much.
see them in the comments. Sorry.
Thank you.
Whoever sent us stars, thank you.
Thank you. We always appreciate it, you know.
Yes.
We're not look for nothing when we come out here, nothing but for you guys to come over and see us. So, giving a star, you know, that's a plus. Yes. Thank you guys very, very much. I love you guys as always, and there's nothing you can do. There's nothing one can do about it. Not even if I try. Honestly.
Hot step of love. Good evening.
Nothing. Yeah. Hot stepper. Here comes the hot stepper. Murderer. The lyrical gangster. Murderer. Still love you like that. Still love you like that. Here comes the hot stepper. Murderer, I'm the lyrical gangster.
Murder.
I'm my body in the area.
Murder.
Still love you like that. Still love you like that. Vanilla, sing one song. I want to sing one Bob Marley. I want to love you and treat you right. Sing. Sing something for you people, then, man. I mean, always a sing. Sing something for them.
You can't sing.
Just sing something. Yes. Yeah, something.
You know what song we used to love?
Yeah.
We used to always say the same verses. Book, 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 gonna push on a book. If you literate and foolish, treat you like a crook. If I said ever catch you red head ended tonight, the looks of the sing.
Me need tell if a DJ.
Book,
DJ
book,
must sound
book.
too right. Sing. It better you sing.
Me no know.
Sing a Bob Marley song. Come. I want to love you and treat you right. Go ahead, Vanilla.
I wanna love you and treat you right.
I want to love you
I wanna love you
every day and every night.
every day and every night.
We'll be together
We'll be together
with the roof right over our head.
with the roof right over our head.
We'll share the shelter
We'll share the shelter
of my single bed.
of my single bed.
Is this love? Is this love?
Is this love? Is this love? Is this love that I'm feeling?
I wanna know. I wanna know.
I wanna know, I wanna know, I wanna know now.
I-
I'm willing and able. All
What
right, no
you
more.
mean, Vanilla? See them up, them love it.
No more.
Yeah,
I don't know
go
what the
for
heck
it,
you're
man.
saying.
It don't matter. That's how you gonna learn. You know what I mean? It don't matter, Vanilla. Just sing. You know what I mean? Who cares? Yes. Just have to do it. You should know a family by now.
Flawless.
You
Good
know.
evening, Flawless.
Big up yourself, Miss Flawless. How you doing? Yes. You know, you can't care. You know what I mean? You know, depend your cuss them. I want to them
me
people
no
who
cuss
cuss
no
and
bad
class
word.
people.
Me no
Them
cuss
not-
no bad
them-
word.
them not afraid to do that. You do something good. So don't be afraid. Even if you're not telling nobody you're Whitney Houston.
No.
Or not,
And no window, me no hear no window crack. So
right. So sing the damn thing. You
That's a
understand?
good thing.
I want you good on in one hardcore reggae song for them. You know, because I know some hardcore reggae song. Yes.
oh man.
I cannot talk like Selena. Oh, my man, them can come here. No, back there in a marina.
We have a knife in her. We back pocket in her.
Me
We have a knife in her.
Me knife wrap up in a greener, boy. Yes, man, you know. Vanilla, bad pan reggae. Bad pan reggae. Yeah. Do something for people, them, man.
And I try to think of another one. That I know.
Yeah, which one? Which one you want to sing for them?
Man, help me, chocolate.
Oh, me fi help you. I don't know when I
You
head
know,
message.
you know the song them I know.
Me don't know the
I'm
song
always
them where you
saying,
know.
repeat them.
Yeah.
From back another day.
Me not even know a bad word them where you know. So how
Yes,
me gonna
you
know a
do.
song them where you know?
Yes, you do.
Me
And
don't
you
know.
teach me them.
Me not teach you nothing.
You teach me
me
all
tell
of
if
them.
come on live can tell people but me teach you a bad word.
You teach me all of them.
Me not teach
That's
you
the
nothing.
first thing you teach me.
Me not teach you nothing.
You teach me.
And you pick them up. You understand?
Pick them up for you telling me what to say.
Yes, and so you know a reggae song them. Yeah.
Oh
You
man.
know them. And it was under the
Sycamore tree, a boy want me bow. When me tell him to flee, under the sycamore tree,
the sun
starts
starts
shining for me.
and it was on.
Under the sycamore tree, a boy want me bow. When me tell him to flee,
Tell him
under the sycamore tree,
the sun
starts
starts.
shining for me.
Yeah.
Honey, whatever.
See,
When
you
I know
do
ladies
good,
sound like
Vanilla.
that.
You just have to get the confidence and just do your thing. Don't care. You understand? Yeah.
All right. May I
Don't
come
care.
on? May I come on next
Come
time?
out of your
Not-
shell
not-
because
not
when
Sunday. Sunday.
when
I'm
you're
in
not upon
church.
live, you run your mouth. And when you come upon live, you make me look like I'm a chatterbox one. And you know you're a chatterbox one off camera. That's one of my pet peeve too. Me forgot for telling her. I want my pet peeve that when Vanilla set me up for me look like the chatterbox one. When I chatterbox
that
one
there.
off camera. You understand?
I don't know that one. Telephone love.
Telephone love, you sound so sweet on the line. Yes.
Sounds so sweet on the line.
Telephone love, you made my day every time. Yes. I'm not gonna take it easy. You won't get away tonight. The vibes that's going through me will make me feel alright. Yeah. Now that you're full up of action, now is a chance to show me emotion. I've waited for long. You better come on strong, Mr. Loverman. Shabba. Yeah, Mr. Loverman.
Shabba.
Yes, that's right. You understand? That's how you do it, man. Even if them a laugh off of you, you not see. You know what I mean? You not see. You don't see laughing emoji will go up, but you not see when they came over to their house and laugh off of you. So,
you they want to laugh after me.
Yeah, exactly. So do your thing, man. And it make me look like the bossy one, the pushy one, the big mouth one. Yeah, because you know, sir, you have one heap of chat off a camera. Yeah. When we come on camera, all of a sudden, mute. And me alone. Me alone. And nobody can chat so when camera turn off. Nobody can chip a big dirty Jamaican bad word them.
No, I chip like no bad word pon here.
Me not chip them. Like a this one here. Yeah, like a sailor. Like a sailor, yeah. Me not lie. Like a sailor, yeah. Sailor. All we. I come from Jamaica can't chip them, so. Mix them, mince them, dice them. I see that. Yes. So, now we people that know who you be. And stop things that I'm me at the loudmouth one. Yeah.
All right.
All right. That's all you ever say.
Love you too, Queen.
Who that?
It gone.
It gone. Love you.
This one's frozen.
It is.
So
yeah, frozen. So
we have to keep coming out.
Every time we come on
Speak
Facebook.
Love You Entertainment.
Speak my mind entertainment. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. How you doing? What a go on. I'm over here drinking again. The naked punch from Miss Lothian. Yes. With the good up food them. Yeah, me not ask for no. I tell them, me taste that. Me taste it. Yes. And the pork. Ooh. For the pork lover.
I love on a toe.
Yes. Love on a toe, man. And love on a toe. We take none of y'all for granted.
That's right.
We know say you're not happy. You're not obligated to come over here, come watch me. So we appreciate
it.
Each and every one of you. Yes? We'll come out here and we'll just try to entertain and try to be positive.
Yeah.
Yes? And share with our family, which are you guys, and friends. Yes? And passerbys and the silent watchers.
Yes.
We know enough silent watchers. Yes. We know enough silent watcher watch me. Yes.
See?
Because
I know how to conduct myself in public.
Conduct what? Someone who wants to try for them. And me alone have bad behavior. Huh? Me don't know if I conduct for myself in a public. Yeah? Eh? I like to not try for say. Thank you for the star, Laverne. Slematic, big up yourself.
Big up Slematic.
Yes. Slematic, big up yourself. Laverne, big up yourself. You're late. You're not long with the panya. About like 4 hours now. I joke, me I make. But we're getting ready. Yeah, we're getting ready for leave. Yes, and we did a talk about pet peeve, things that we don't like, and what else? We did 3-card game, and somebody called in and won.
Yeah.
$20 in credits. Yes, we also let the winners from the underwear thing know that the ones from New York, they'll be shipped off tomorrow. Jamaica. It was and one from Trinidad and Tobago.
Yep.
Trinidad and Tobago, yours will be shipped off tomorrow too. All right. Jamaica, yours will be coming at the end of the month to the beginning of April. And yeah, and that's all we talk about. Nothing. And then at one point me want to use the bathroom. I'm gonna get up, I'm gonna go into the bathroom, I'm gonna come back.
Wow.
Me just a fill in the person who's late. Hello? Yes.
Then say you poop in public, chocolate.
Me not poop in a public. Well, not the loud one. You understand? The soft one.
The soft one?
Yeah, the soft one, not the loud one. The soft one. You understand?
Squeeze it?
It just not... Of course, you have to squeeze it in a public. You don't want the big old sitting come out and embarrass you. You understand?
Silent but deadly?
Silent one, me do in a public, yes. And me walk away. And I like say, you know, me I go stand up, me walk away. You know, who else? I me alone do that? Me not make it twist up my belly and kill me. You know what I'm saying? Them say let fart be free. It kill poor Mary Lee. And if it kill Mary Lee, who am I? After me not tougher than Mary Lee. Me no make out of iron.
Laverne said she don't like dirty nails or smelly breath or cheap man.
Me think me not like none of them there either. True. If you wear nails, you need to make sure it clean. Yes? Clean. Underneath it clean. You understand? You know some nails were exactly this long. And I went last week?
Yeah.
Last week. The woman cut off my damn nails. Yeah, and put tips. And my nail was just as long. Usually when I got them put just the acrylic on it to make it, hard. My nail.
Right, to strengthen your nail.
The woman clip off my damn nail. She clip one and I get mad. Me just said, clip off all of them. Cause why you got...
Right.
My usual nail tech wasn't there. He's on vacation. I have this one specific person that I go to. But he's on vacation. So I had to go to somebody else. And the woman, when the woman, she not even ask me, clip off my nail. Mr. Lady, you know, I feel my nails. So I tip now.
Right.
Me have on.
Until yours grow back.
Until mine grow back. It's almost halfway out there. Yes. Yeah, but true. Dirty undernail. When you wear nails, you have to have a little brush.
You have to brush under your nails, yeah.
Yes, brush them. Because sometimes, especially if you wear makeup, they'll get under there.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you have to keep under there clean. When I sense you have on long, pretty nails, and the outside pretty, and then your gussa is full of coro. No, that's not
cool.
clean.
No.
That's not cleanliness. Anyways, yeah, me telling them my business. Why you make? She just take up his scenting.
I know her nails.
Me didn't know my nails she go cut off. Tell the woman go so. With the damn clip off. I think of this finger. Yes. And I was so mad. I said, that's my nail. Right? I said, just go ahead and cut them all off. Yeah.
Crazy.
I said, just go ahead and cut.
Because
when I got to walk around with one, I could have. Thinking of it. Now me out of my emotion.
Yeah.
I could have just made sure just put one tip on it, but just go ahead and cut them.
Yeah. But at that point you were mad. You're like, go ahead and cut
just go ahead. That's exactly my throat, man. Just go ahead and cut. Sorry. They're like a Chinese, right? Yeah. I'm like, sorry. Can't buy social, Larry.
At that point, sorry was too late.
Yes. But I love you guys. And there's nothing you can do about it. See you back on the weekend. All right. Well, we're coming on Sunday.
Yeah.
With the praise and worship and to give away some more credits. Yeah.
That's right.
Now that I come off from out of my emotions, yeah, I could have made sure do that.
You could have made her fix the one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's why you're not say things when you're angry.
Right.
But I couldn't hold it because say we did go New York and we were already annoyed with waiting so long.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then she do that. So whatever, man. Whatever. Yes. I meant guys though, not us ladies. I meant guys though, not us. Oh, guys too. Yes. Not because they're guys. They think it's okay to walk around with dirty nails. No, I don't like it on anybody.
I don't
either. And
either.
another thing I don't like to see, I don't like to see little kids dirty. Like, with nose not running down upon them face and them just dirty. Me not like see it.
But one thing when them outside playing.
That's a difference.
But when them come in, them need for
I'm not talking about come in. I'm talking about like on the street.
Oh, on the street.
Yes, like with the kids on the street and them dirty.
Yeah.
And just look unkept. I don't like see little kids being dirty and look unkept.
Right.
Ear no comb and stuff like that.
Yeah.
I like see it. Yeah. Yes. So that's another pet peeve. Yes. Big up on yourself. Your ear.
Big up kings and
you know
queens.
much time we say bye?
Right.
I don't want to keep with ear.
Right.
Thank you. Yeah, somebody said thank you.
Not sure.
You're not
I told
sure?
you stop.
Me
Laverne.
too. Me too. Looking forward to see you Sunday. All right, Anisha. All right, we'll be back on Sunday. All right, we just got really busy this past weekend and wasn't able to make it back on time. But we don't have any plans so far for this Sunday, and I'm trying to make sure my plans, if any, come up. I still gonna have some opening to come on live for our service and to give away credits.
Yeah.
Right?
Yep.
Peace and love.
Have a blessed night or blessed day, whatever it may be for you.
Sleep well.
Take care of yourself.
All right.
All right.
And each other. See you
That's right.
later.
Bye-bye.
Bye.